Hey friends, welcome back to Jason's Design Shop, where today we're going to make a bench vise that's been sitting around useful again. Let's get started. Look at this old vise. Amazing. Big old double twisting pipe grabber up here. Reversal on the same thing there. Traditional clamp up on the top there. It's huge, weighs a lot, but completely useless if it's not screwed down, hooked down. So we're going to make a frame for this right here with this wood and mount it on top of this one over here, and then we can put it to the side here, mount it up here, and we can bench clamp it on to the big bench when we need it, and when we don't need it we can move it away and get it out of the way. Alright, first thing, let's clamp these down so we get a nice square corner on this.
Screw it together. Like that. Alright.
Right there. Goes off of here.
Put in a bigger drill. This. Oh. Actually, no. It needs to be this.
Hey guys, check out this new DrillMate I got from Milescraft. Check out my Amazon link if you're interested in it. It's exactly what I need for this project, where I'm trying to hook on this big vice clamp for my little put it on, take it off, and set up here on my bench. So let's open it up and try it out. Comes with these parts right here, the main thing, the base, the handle, it's up to the side I think right here, and a bag of parts, of course. So let's see if we can put these together really fast. 1, this is 2, 3 is I think this thing with a key in it. Where's the key? Here's the key. Key goes in here.
That goes around this, huh? That's your depth stop, I think. Oh, I feel like that's backwards.
Okay, number 4. We gotta take the screws off. Screws off. Screws off. They don't give that a step. This cap's on. Alright, step 5. Put the screws in here. Put this on here. Put it in there. And then you twist this to get it to go in. Alright, that's on there tight, 90 degrees. Looks like you loosen these up to turn it and get the different 45, 50, 75, whatever degrees you want there, and to be able to drill at an angle. We want a vertical there. That was step 6. Finally, step 7, get this bolt in here. Self-grabbing locks it so you can put in your handle. It's got metal fitting in there, it's nice. And you're ready to go. Alright, let's test this. Put a drill in the chuck there and let's tighten it up. Take your drill. Let's put it in there. Alright, up and down looks good. Come over here. Now I'm vertical. Right there. Cool. Oh, I'm pushing this off. Goes all the way through. I don't know, but that's great. Milescraft drill assist. Vertical, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, you name it. Awesome. Alright, we got our holes. Test this thing out. Hey, if you're finding value in this, why not click that thumbs up button right now? It's right down there. Click it. Let's get going. There it is. Spins any angle you want it. Out here, there. Of course, take it off and move it. Stick it through. On there. And to keep it from moving, you just take your clamps here and grab on. Right? And the other one. Still. Pretty strong. Spins out here. Spin this. You can spin this up. Put pipe in here. Around. Probably use that more often. Now we need to make wood vice clamps in here. That's the next step, so we don't smash our woodworking here.
Now take two pieces of wood, get them in here, mark it, maybe somewhere here. If anything about this big would be nice. Put a wood clamp.
Finally, put them in the bench clamp. Throw some glue on there. We're going to make a holder so it won't fall through. So then I just put some wood glue on there and we put the vice clamp to hold it, let it dry. And those don't need to be super strong. They're just holding it from falling out of place so you can open and close the vice without them falling out. Might put some magnets in there later too on the underside to help hold it to the vice. That's a good little trick. Let that dry. There we go. Take out the vice clamps. It's all dry. I put this in there. Close it up. Wow, that's all locked in with our clamps down below. Beautiful. Ooh, tear it over here. Alright. Now we got a vice clamp turned into a wood bench clamp. It works awesome. There we go. Vice clamps. And I'm not using it. I'm going to close it up together. Like that. Pop these off. And I can put it out of the way anywhere I want. If I can lift it. Here. Hey, if that was helpful, I would really be honored if you would subscribe and join the fun in the channel and all the cool little things we're going to be doing as we build this small garage. So check it out on Jason's Design Shop. Later, guys. Bye.